Hello students, today we will discuss about measurement of capacity. So you know that how to measure capacity with kiloliter, liter, these things, centiliter, hectoliter, decaliter. Here, so first we have to know that what is the relation between them. So firstly come kiloliter, then hectoliter, then decaliter, then liter, then deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So if you want to convert kiloliter to liter, so how many room is there? 1, 2, 3. That means you have to multiply with 1000. Let's see one example. You want to convert 2 kiloliter to liter. So what to do? You have to multiply with 1000 with 2 because there is 3 room up from kiloliter to liter. Yes, so this will convert it to liter. If you want to convert decaliter to centiliter, so suppose there is 2 decaliter is given, so this will be how many room is there? Decaliter to centiliter 1, 2, 3 here, so you have to multiply with 1000 again. If you want to convert kiloliter to decaliter, then what to do? Suppose 5 kiloliter, how many room is there? 2 room, 1, 2. That means you have to multiply with 100. Clear? So this will be 5500 liter. Here this is centiliter again because I am converting this one as a decaliter to centiliter, and this is kiloliter to decaliter. That means this will be decaliter again. Clear? So now if you want to convert liter to kiloliter, then what happens? Suppose there is given 2000 liter. You want to convert this one as a kiloliter. So you have to go backward. Go to the direction of this liter to kiloliter. So how many room you have to go back? 1, 2, 3. That means you have to divide with 1000. Clear? So this will be this much kiloliter happen. So this is 2 kiloliter. Understood? Suppose you want to go centiliter to liter. So what to do? So there is given suppose 6000 centiliter. You want to go to the liter. So how many room is there? 1, 2, 1 and 2. That means you have to divide with 100. Why we are dividing? Because you are going to the backward direction. Here that means you have to divide with 100. So this will convert it to liter. So this will be 60 liter happen. Here now go to our exercise. So in exercise 10G, question number 1 is given. Five kiloliter 270 liter. So you have to convert these both things as a liter. So what to do? Just convert 5 kiloliter to liter. So how to convert 5 kiloliter to liter? Multiply with 1000. So this will convert it to liter, and there is given again 270 liter. So what to do with this? You have to add this 270 with the previous one. Here, so this will be 5000 liter happen, and this one is a 270 liter. Now add them, you get the answer. Now go to next one, question number C. In question number C is given 12 kiloliter and 199 liter. So go to the same procedure. So first we have to convert this 12 kiloliter to liter. So how to convert to liter? Multiply with 1000. So this will convert it to liter. And what to do with this 199 liter? You have to add with the previous one. So this will be 12,000 liter and this is a 199 liter. So this will fully converted to liter. Now go to question number 2. In question number 2 is given, here is some liters are given, we have to convert this one as a kiloliter and liter. So look at question number B, second one, there is given 9478 liter. So if you convert this one, if you want to convert liter to kiloliter, so you have to go to the backward direction here. So how many room you have to go back? You have to go back up 1003 room. That means you have to divide with 1000. So this one divided by 1000. This is converted to kiloliter. And look at here one thing. How many zeros is here? 3 zeros. That means you have to hide 3 number from the end. Here. Now what are you looking now? You are looking 9 is left in the left hand portion. So this is 9 kiloliter and the hidden number be 478. So this much liter happen. Understood? Now go to another example, question number C. So question number C is given 25,788 liter. Again you want to convert kiloliter liter to kiloliter, you have to go backward direction. That means how many room you have to go back? You have to go back 3 room. That means you have to divide with 1000. So this will convert it to kiloliter. So how many zero is here? 3 zeros. That means you have to hide 3 number digit from the end. So if you hide 3 digit from the end, what are you looking now? 25 is left in the left hand portion. So this will be 25 kiloliter and 788 liter happen. And go to another one, question number E. So question number E is given 20,018 liter. Now go to the same procedure. You have to divide with 1000. So look how many zero is here? 3 zeros. That means you have to hide 3 digit from the end. So what are you looking now? 20. 20 is left in the left hand portion. That means 20 kiloliter and hidden number be 018. What is the meaning of this? This means only 18 liter because there is no values of 0 in the front here. So this is only 18 liter happen. Thank you.